Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to make money from promoting your own YouTube videos. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today, I'm about to share how I earn money from promoting my own YouTube videos, right? If we hop straight into PayPal, you will see I just received the payment from Sprizzy on July 15th. It's July 17th right now. You can see if we click on the information tab, this was a Sprizzy affiliate payment through April 2021. You can see they paid me $213, right? PayPal took their cut. I net $206, right? I'm about to teach y'all how to do this on any YouTube video. You can use a monetized YouTube video. That's what I recommend, because you could promote a monetized YouTube video, receive AdSense revenue, and receive money back from promoting the video through Sprizzy's affiliate program. Now, when you want to do this, when you want to start this, you would need 2 Sprizzy accounts, right? And I'm about to teach you how to do this. So, first thing you want to do is, right, you want to come to Sprizzy.com. You want to come to Sprizzy.com and you want to go all the way to the bottom. You want to scroll to the bottom and you will see a tab that says affiliate program, right? You click on this tab and you sign up for Sprizzy's affiliate program, right? It'll bring you to this page. You'll see something like this, right? And on here, you'll be able to get your affiliate link, right? You'll be able to get your Sprizzy affiliate link, right? Under assets, right on the left hand side, you'll see a tab that says assets. You'll be able to click on that tab and get your affiliate link. It also has other promotional things, like if you wanted to run paid advertisement, it already has banners, code you can enable on website and send to different advertising companies to promote for you, and you can run traffic that way, right? But if you have YouTube videos already, you can promote them directly yourself. So once you click on assets, you will get a link for your Sprizzy account. Then you want to go back to Sprizzy, right? You're going to go back to Sprizzy and you want to create another account. You want to create a user account, so you need 2 Gmails, right? So you create a user account, and then from there you can search any YouTube video and you can promote any YouTube video. And you want to promote your own video. So when you promote your video, you receive 20% back on whatever you spend. So for every $100 you spend, you receive $20 back from Sprizzy, right? That's how it works on Sprizzy. For every $100 you spend on promoting a YouTube video, you receive $20 back, right? And the thing about it is, you can promote a monetized video. So this is the results from one of the videos I promoted using this method, right? And if we scroll down into the traffic source, you'll see my top traffic source, right, was from YouTube advertising. 56% of the views came from YouTube advertising, me going through Sprizzy, which I'm telling you all about, right? And I promoted this video, right? The thing about it is, this is a monetized video. So if we click on the revenue, you'll see my estimated revenue from this was $33, right? This video is a high CPM video with a CPM of around $51, right? It was paying me $11 though. It was paying me $11.96. So I was getting $11.96 per 1,000, right? So off of this, I paid $100. I got $20 from Sprizzy just for paying $100. Like I said, you get how the commission works on here. You receive 20% of whatever you spend, right? You receive 20% back of whatever you spend. So for every $100, that's $20, right? So I got the $20 from Sprizzy, and I made $33 on YouTube, right? I was able to make $33 on YouTube, and this content is monetized. This content will grow over time on YouTube. So I believe it was a good investment, because not only did I make 50% of my money back, I also gained 2,800 views, 5 subscribers, watch time hours, and it's earning me money still. So I think it's a win-win situation, right? Sprizzy affiliate program, as you can see, they are paying out. I got this payment on July 15th. And I just wanted to make this video to show y'all that you can join Sprizzy's affiliate program, use your link, and promote your own videos on your YouTube channel. It's trackable, all in the analytics. You go to the reach, you will see that the majority of my reach came from YouTube advertising. When you use Sprizzy, it's just an easier way to use Google Ads, right? It costs more, but using this method, you can get a 50% return on your investment. So I just wanted to put this information out there for anybody that wanted to make money promoting their YouTube videos, how to earn money promoting YouTube videos. It's best if you promote a monetized YouTube video, because if you promote a monetized YouTube video, you can earn money, from YouTube, and you can earn money from Sprizzy. So even if your channel isn't monetized, for people thinking about this, Sprizzy is a good way to help you reach the threshold and get the watch time hours and get everything you need, the views and watch time hours. Like, you need watch time hours and views to get monetized. So if you promote a video, right, that's longer, maybe 8 minutes, you will receive more watch time hours, and you will receive views to help you reach the threshold to get monetized, so you can start earning more. But even promoting a video using your own Sprizzy link, using your own Sprizzy affiliate link, any video you promote, you'll receive 20% back, right? You'll receive 20% back. So for every $100 you spend promoting your channel on the come up, on a rise, if you're not monetized, you can receive 20% back if you use your Sprizzy affiliate link to promote your videos. So I'm just making this to inform y'all on what's possible out here when you promoting your YouTube channel, or even if somebody is thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you want to get views, right? YouTube advertising can help you. It's helped tens of thousands of creators. It'll help you get more eyes on your videos. A lot of companies, big brands, they all use YouTube advertising, even regular channels, musicians, everybody, a lot of people use YouTube advertising, to grow and reach a new audience. And that's the best way to do it, to go through YouTube ads. It'll appear all in your analytics, so you'll be able to see where your views are coming from. So we're getting 10% from search, channel pages, from different recommendations. 50% came from YouTube advertising, though. So you'll be able to see everything in the back end on YouTube. I like this method, and I just wanted to share this with y'all because I plan on ramping this up and doing more promotion to my channel through my Sprizzy affiliate, right? I even have a pending payout coming. So yeah, I just wanted to put y'all up on game on this, right? When you create your Sprizzy account, remember to find all of your assets, every branding you need, the links you need is all under assets. Any promotional media, pictures. They got a lot of different things Sprizzy will offer you to help, drive traffic, right? And I also put this link under my YouTube videos to drive more organic traffic to my Sprizzy affiliate page. So yeah, but it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications. We dropping more videos. And everybody on YouTube, non-stop, back-to-back, building a brand, brick by brick. Y'all know how it go. So it's your boy Yon World. I'm out.